Okay, in this video, we'll show you how to rebox your ClickShare Hub and touch panel. Before you get started reboxing the ClickShare Hub, you'll need to make sure that you have all of the components that came with your demo kit. So you're going to have your Hub Pro bundle, which is going to include your Hub Pro with 2 buttons, your control panel, which includes the 10-meter USB-C cable, your power supply, the power cord. Additionally, you'll probably have your Microsoft Teams Room certified partner bar as well. Step 1, disconnect all cables from the hub and the touch panel.
In this next piece, we're going to take our touch panel and we're going to flip it over. And I've got a short cable to show you, but you'll have a much longer one more than likely. And we're going to come down here in the end where you screwed it in. And you can see it right here. We're going to unscrew this. Make sure you don't lose the screw. Hook is nice and loose. Pull that off. Remove carefully the USB-C end. This will be a much longer end on your side. Take it apart. Keep it nice and neat. Put this piece back on very carefully. Screw it in so you don't lose the screw. And if you did not save this piece of plastic that goes over the top, which most people don't, make sure that you don't scratch up the surface of this, okay? So part 2, now we're going to grab our box.
Step 2, rebox your hub and touch panel.
You put the sleeve in the bottom, and you take the base unit and you very carefully set it in there. Now you're going to need the other cardboard unit that came with it. Here it is right here. And that cardboard unit is going to sit right in there perfectly. And the ClickShare button that we have over here is going to sit in this piece right here. We'll then close this up, and this ClickShare is ready to ship back. And this box holds your 10-meter USB-C cable. So we're going to close it back up. Put the cable box in the bottom. Get my little 2 wing pieces, one on each side. Take my little triangular piece of cardboard, and this still has the little round piece in it. You want to make sure that's included. Put it in like the pie wedge with the short end facing towards you. Take the panel with the thicker spot here, the big pick on the back. You're going to put that down the smaller side. Perfect. And then we're going to take the cardboard protective piece and cover over the face of the touch panel. If you happen to have lost this, just make it out of another piece of cardboard or something else that can support that. Then include your 2 manuals, and then very carefully pop this up. When you pop it back down, you can retape this, and there is your touch panel all back in the box.
Don't forget to pack and return your Microsoft Teams Room certified room bundle all-in-one bar as well as the ClickShare components. Pack your hub box, touch panel box, all-in-one bar box, power supply, and accessories carefully into a single padded shipping box.